Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from GelaInTheKitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we can fry salmon without oil. I'm going to use instead of oil baking paper. My baking paper unbleached and has 450 Fahrenheit temperature limit. The purpose of this video, how we can fry without oil, and I choose simple recipe, but we can make stuffed salmon or other recipes as well. I don't use skin for frying. I usually remove it and make great soup. Check out the recipe on my channel. First, I'm warming up my pan without paper. The temperature of stove should be medium and high enough to fry fish. After I place salmon on a baking paper, I don't touch it. Approximately 5-6 minutes depends on thickness of fish. But for safety reason, I always staying next to stove and watching what's going on. After I turn my salmon, I fry it 5 minutes more, and now you can see beautiful result, how it's come out. This method definitely great for busy people, because after frying, I just discard baking paper and rinse my pan. As you can see, it's not much to clean compared if we fry fish directly on a pan. I'm using this method very often when I fry salmon for my salad. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos.